Dum ta dum dum ta dum dum.
Before starting a section, we should have Guru Namaskara. That means we should give respect to the Gurus. Can we start with Guru Namaskaram? Ready? Start. Takka dimmi, 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 takka dimmi. Now, sixth step in Tattadavu. In this step, you should have 6 beats in one leg. For one leg, we should have 6 beats. How means, let's see. First is 3 step we should do, then a gap, again 3 step. Okay, can we do now? Let's start. Ready? Tay, tay, tam. 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 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. I hope you might understand. Please practice the same way in second speed as well as in third speed. Now we are moving on seventh step. In seventh step, we need to beat 3 beats in right leg and 1 beat in left leg, again 3 beats in right leg. Okay, can we do now? Talank takka dik takka tadink tatom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tay, tay, tat, tat. Tay, tay, tam. 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 First 3 counts. 1, 2, 3 in right leg, 4 in left leg, 5, 6, 7 in right leg again. I hope you might understand. Now, let's move on 8th step. In 8th step, we have to beat both the legs together. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right. For 8th step, can we do now? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay, can we do now? Let's start. Talank takadik takatadink itatom. Tay. 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 Dit. Tay. 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 Dit. Tay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. I hope you might understand the previous lesson, the recap of Tattadavu. Please practice this in 3 column talam. First speed, second speed and third speed. Thank you. Hi kids, today we are going to learn a new lesson, Kudithu Mettadavu. This means you should sit in half mandi, a jump, then tattu in both legs. First, this should be practiced in 3 different speeds with different mutiras. Okay, can we go for it? Now, first, can we start by leg, then with mudras? Now, Kudithu Mettadavu leg work exercise right now. Can we do now? Now, we should jump for thigh, then hath we should beat our both leg. Can we do now? Yes, let's start. Talank takadik takatadink itatom. Tay, hath, tay, he. 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 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope you might understand this. Now, second step. In second step of Kudithu Mettadavu, the hand should be towards the back in Alapadma position. Our body should be turned towards the back position and see our finger of Alapadma position, and again it should be come towards the front in Kataka Mukha position. The same should be repeat for the right as well as left. The next, our finger should be in Tiripakataka position. It should move towards the upward above our head and downwards towards the knee side. The same should be repeated for the left hand. First for the right hand, then for the left hand. I hope you might understand this. Can we do now? Let's start. Talank takadik takatadink itatom. Tay, hat, tay, he. Tay, hat, tay, he. Tay, hat, tay, he. Tay, hat, tay, he. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now second speed. tei hat, tei hi, 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 tei hat, tei hi. This should be continue as third speed. Now, the third step. In third step of Kudithamet Adavu, one hand should be in Natyarama position and the other hand should be in Katakamukha position. While the other hand in Katakamukha position should go towards the downwards near the knee in cross, and again it should come towards the chest. This way should be repeated toward same to the left hand. While left hand in Natyarama position, the right hand should be in Katakamukha and it should move towards the knee in cross as Alapadma and again towards the chest as Katakamukha. Can we do now? Let's see. Can we start? Talank takadik takatadink tatom tei hat tei hi tei hat tei hi tei hat tei hi tei hat tei hi. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now second speed. Tei hat, tei hi, 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 tei hat, tei hi. This should be continue as third speed. Now, fourth step of Kudithamet Adavu. In this Adavu, the both hands, the right as well as left, the both hands finger should be in Katakamukha position. This Katakamukha position, while the both hands should move towards the downwards, towards the knee, and again it should be reversed towards the chest. While it's moving towards the down near the knee as Alapadma position, then reverse as Katakamukha position towards the chest. This is the method of fourth step. Can we do now? Let's see. Can we start? Talank takadik takatadink tatom tei hat tei hi tei hat tei hi tei hat tei hi tei hat tei hi. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now second speed. Tei hat, tei hi, 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 tei hat, tei hi. This should be continue as third speed. Now, next one, third and fourth step together. Tei hat, teihi, teihat, teihi, teihat, teihi, teihat, teihi. I hope you also can create steps like this and practice at home in 3 talam with 3 speeds. First speed, second speed and third speed, so on. Thank you. Per class we should do Guru Namaskaram. This should be do in regularly when we start a class and when we end the class. This should be in regular. Can we start now? Ready? Takka dimmi, 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 takka dimmi.